Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'll be doing a review on this solar wireless digital reverse system from Auto-Vox. Alright, so here is a quick overview. It says to remove your original license plate, slide the plate over the new camera, and install it back onto your vehicle. Alright, so here's everything that you're going to get with the kit. You're going to get the user manual, a 5-inch color monitor, and the license plate bracket with the camera and also the solar panel, a power adapter for the monitor with the USB port, the monitor bracket with the suction cup, a mini USB charger to charge the solar unit, and a remote and an antenna for the monitor. Now here's the spec of the camera, 480p with the VGA sensor and a max of 25 fps. And here is the monitor. It's a 5-inch monitor, again with only 480p. All right, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and charge the unit. And so there is a charge port in the bottom right here. And so just lift this up, and that is a USB port, and this is to turn the unit on and off. And so take the provided USB cable and then go ahead and charge the unit. It's going to take about a couple hours to charge this full. Once it's fully charged, the light indicator up here will turn green. And so if I turn it on right now, it's red. And so once you charge it, it'll turn green. Now on the side of the monitor is going to be 3 buttons. One is going to be the menu button, and these are to toggle up and down. Now to go ahead and connect the provided mount, insert it into the back and push up to lock it in place. And then go ahead and tighten the swivel nut. And in the bottom is a suction cup, so you can mount it on your windshield or on your dash. And then up here it's going to be for the antenna. And so take the provided antenna and screw this on. And here is the wire that you're going to connect your power adapter, this one, into this slot right here. And then you will go ahead and connect this into your charge port. Now what's unique about this camera is very simple to install. There's absolutely no wire that you need to install from the camera inside your vehicle. Everything is done through remote control. And so it's an RF signal that goes from the camera to the monitor. So in order to turn this camera on, you do not need to tap into your reverse signal. All you do is press this button on your remote and it will activate that camera and show on your monitor right here. So there's not going to be any drilling involved. There's not going to be anything where you have to route the wire from your exterior of your vehicle to the interior of your vehicle. And the range from the camera to the monitor is 230 feet. And so you can use this on a trailer or a truck or anything like that. All right, so installation is very simple. Just go ahead and remove your original license plate. Now you're going to be reusing the bolts, so don't lose them. Now simply slide the license plate inside, and there's going to be 2 holes where you're going to line this up. So if I turn in the back, so you see where there's 2 holes right here, and so it has to line up right there, and then put it back into the vehicle. And then I'm going to go ahead and mount the monitor right here for now. And so what you do is you go ahead and lift this up and put it down and push the locking lever down to lock it in place. And then go ahead and lock the locking nut. There you go. And then connect your charging cable to your outlet. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the unit. Simply turn the vehicle into accessory mode, and it's going to automatically turn on when you first turn on your vehicle. It will last for 60 seconds out of the box, but I changed the setting to 90 seconds. You can also turn the unit on by pushing on your remote button right here. So there is a double-sided tape, so you can stick this anywhere you want. You can put it up here, or you can put it by your shift lever. And to go to the menu setting, you push the side button right here and the middle button, and then you toggle up and down by pushing on the buttons on the top and the bottom. And so I'm going to go ahead and select my reverse time and select the middle button, and I'm going to say I want it to stay for 90 seconds. By default it's on 60 seconds, and I can change the guidelines if I want this to be on or off. And if I want to change the guideline settings as well, what I need to do is I can go ahead and push the middle button, the menu button, hold it for 3 seconds, and the guideline will start blinking. And you can go ahead and change the guideline setting based upon your vehicle. So if you want it small, if you want it large, you can go ahead and make those adjustments. And if you need to make adjustment on the angle of the backup camera, all you do is just go ahead and push it down or up depending on the adjustment that you need to make. And the indicator up here shows you the battery indicator for that solar charging system in the back. It's currently full. When it's full, it has enough battery to last for a couple months depending on how often you use the backup camera. They said on average, if you use it for like 4 to 6 times a day, this should last you without you having to recharge the system for a couple months. Now, one thing to note is that if you do live in an area where it's not very sunny or you leave the car parked in a garage, you can go ahead and charge the unit by using that USB port, using like a power bank. Or if you wanted to, you can remove it and then connect it to a power charger and connect that as well. Now this remote battery lasts about an year. In order to change it out, you just pop that little cover off or right there, and then you just replace the battery. I'll have the link to the battery in the description of this video as well. And so as you can see, it's turned off, and when I just push the button, it's going to light up twice, and there you go, the backup camera turns on. And so you can turn the camera on every time you pushed on the button, and it's gonna stay on for 90 seconds. Alright, so that completes the product review of this solar wireless backup camera system from Auto-Vox. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.